Hi there, I'm Alex Cunningham, and I'll walk you through this Notion tutorial step by step. Let's jump right in.
Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we're diving into a super useful skill for Notion users, linking to another page inside your workspace. By the end of this quick tutorial, you'll know several simple ways to create connections between pages, so your workspace stays organized, and you can move between information in a flash. If you've ever wondered, how do I quickly reference another Notion page? This video is for you. Let's jump right in, starting with the fastest method, using the @ symbol. All you need to do here is type the @ sign, and then immediately begin typing the name of the page you want to link. Notion will pop up a smart search with matching results as you type. If you see your page, just click it, and the link is created. This is lightning quick and works almost anywhere, in notes, to-do lists, databases, wherever you can type. You're basically telling Notion, hey, grab me this page. It's especially handy if you remember the page's name and want to add the link without leaving your train of thought. Now, let's look at a second way, the double bracket method. Just type 2 square brackets, like this, and then start typing your page name again. Notion will give you suggestions and you just choose the right one. Once you select it, your link appears in line. This bracket method feels a bit like making a wiki. In fact, if you're a fan of tools like Wikipedia or other wikis, double brackets might already feel familiar. It's fast, and the link blends right into your sentence or paragraph naturally. Third method, using the plus symbol. Type the plus, then start entering your page name, and you'll get that same handy pop-up. Select your page and the link appears. This plus sign trick is lesser known, but it works much like the @ method. If you're ever working in a block and just want to drop in a reference, try out the plus. It can make your note-taking just a bit smoother. All right, let's say you want your link to look cleaner, or you'd like to turn plain text into a clickable link. Here's what you do. Highlight the text you want to link from. When you highlight, you'll see a mini editing toolbar pop up right above your selection. Click on the link button. It looks a bit like a chain link. Now, Notion lets you choose an external URL, or, if you start typing, search for a Notion page. Pick your page, confirm, and now your regular text is linked directly. No clutter, just one elegant hyperlink. This is great for polished docs, or instructions where you want to blend links seamlessly into directions. For something even more visual, there's Notion's dedicated link to a page block. To use this, just type link to a page right where you want the block to go. You'll see the Link to Page option pop up. Click on it, and pick your desired page from the list. This block creates a distinct, bold link, making navigation more obvious, almost like a signpost in your workspace. It's really useful for dashboards or directory pages where you want links to stand out and be easy to spot. And there you have it. 5 straightforward ways to link to another page in Notion. Whether you're keeping things quick and simple, embedding links in text, or laying out a dashboard, these techniques help you build connections in your workspace and keep your information organized and accessible. If this video helped you learn something new, go ahead and hit that like button. Got any questions, or is there a linking trick you want to share? Drop a comment below. I always love hearing from you. And don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials on mastering Notion and other productivity tools. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.